Hello, I'm Steve and welcome back to Book 1 of the Ielts. In the first lesson of Chapter 4, we're going to discuss sentence structures. Sentence structure is how words are arranged in a sentence. It is essential to use a variety of sentence structures in answering the questions in the Ielts speaking test. The more varied and accurate your sentence structures are, the higher the band score you get. This is one of the aspects where grammatical range is assessed. You should be aware of the kinds of sentences you are forming. Supplement your answers, but be careful not to make many errors. The four types of sentence structures are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. A simple sentence has only one independent clause that contains a subject and a verb, and it expresses a complete thought. Look at the two examples. They each contain a single independent clause that has a subject and a verb. A compound sentence contains at least two independent clauses. These independent clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction such as and, but, and or. A coordinating conjunction is a word that combines words, phrases, or clauses together. Here we have two simple sentences made into a compound sentence by joining two independent clauses with a coordinating conjunction. A complex sentence contains an independent clause and a dependent clause. This type of sentence has a subordinating conjunction that links ideas or provides transition from one idea to another, such as although, when, which, that, because, after, and where. The subordinating conjunction in this sentence is although, and it connects the dependent clause with the independent clause to form a complex sentence. A compound complex sentence structure is a combination of at least two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. This structure helps express longer and more detailed ideas. In compound complex sentences, we can use coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions to string the clauses together. This example contains two independent clauses, one subordinating conjunction, one coordinating conjunction, and one dependent clause. Using simple sentences solely or repeatedly in the speaking test affects the band score. In order to get a high band score, you need to utilize a variety of these sentence structures accurately. In conclusion, using a variety of sentence structures precisely in answering questions on rating ideas is important in getting a higher band score in the Ielts speaking test. We end our lesson here. Don't hesitate to revisit this video in case you missed something. Good luck with your studies. Bye.